Hello everyone, welcome to our Excel tips series. In this video, we will learn how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Let's start. So, we want to create a drop-down list that will make it easy to select a region for each of the following names or each of the following people. So, the drop-down list is supposed to be in column B. Now, the first step is to select the range where you want the drop-down list to take place. So I'll select from B2 to B8. Now, you move to the ribbon, then click on Data. So you click on the Data tab and then move to the Data Tools group, and then you click on Data Validation. Now, from the Allow section, click on the drop-down list and select List. Now, from the Source field, just type the list one after the other by separating them with a comma. So let's say we can type Ashanti, then we bring a comma, then we type OT. Now, for the purpose of this video, I have my list already typed in Notepad. So as you can see, all the regions are typed here in Notepad and they are separated with comma. So I will only have to copy, then come to my list and paste. Good. If you are done with this, just click on OK. Boom. Then you can see a drop down icon beside the cell. So I click here, I see a drop down icon. I click here, see a drop down icon. Click on the drop down icon, and here you go with your drop down list. Now, thank you very much for watching this video, and expect another Excel tip coming soon your way. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so for more interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.